What's up, guys? Welcome to our humble stay. We are at the View, or rather, a very beautiful five-stay house in the heart of Limpopo. We are at Mohopo, or formerly known as Naibom or Naibom, depending on how you want to pronounce it. So we're here for the weekend, and we're just enjoying this beautiful, beautiful stay situated in front of a beautiful golf course. And around these areas, you have very, very beautiful activities like your cableway. You have a whole lot of other things, and also there's a lot of wild animals here. So it's a very, very beautiful place to be, and a lot of tranquility and peace and quiet. So I'll be taking you over this house and everything you need to know about the house. So I'm just gonna take you through this beautiful masterpiece here. Before we look at the lounge, let's look at the two bedrooms here that are at the ground floor. Almost all of the bedrooms look the same here, which is something that I really like. And also, the best thing about this house is that you don't really get those single beds. Each of these 5 bedrooms, you get a full bed. So it's something that I've also always wanted or wish I could have. But here as well, you get this beautiful electric or maybe smart mirrors. And going to the sides, this room allows you to access the backyard, and where you also have a pool and a view of the golf course. And when we go this side, so each room has an air conditioning unit, which is very cool. No pun intended, but for a place like Limpopo, you definitely need one. Another one of the bedrooms here, like I said, it's about the same setup. Some of the rooms don't have TVs like the ones on the ground floors, but the ones upstairs, they all have TVs. But every room has its own theme, but kind of following the same designs. So yeah, that's the 2 out of 5 bedrooms that you have here. You have your powder room here, which is also spacious, and you get to have a view of the backyard. And that's the beautiful backyard that you can get, or you get with this house. But yeah, we've been here like the past few days, and it's really, really nice, man. One thing I really like about this house is the sound system that's integrated into the roof. Almost every other room here has speakers, and they're all controlled by those stereo device. You might think this is like an old-fashioned stereo or music player, but actually this has Amazon Music, Spotify. It works with Alexa, so this is quite a good network AV receiver or music controller, but it sounds very nice. So this is your lounge, which then you can also access the backyard from, and this is where you'll spend most of the time chilling or relaxing. One thing is that these couches are very comfortable, man. I've sat in a few couches, but this was one of the most comfortable couches I've ever sat in, like honestly. And obviously aircon unit. But what I really, really love about the house is the kitchen area, man. This is where it shines a lot. And to say that this is the best part of the house is really not fair, because this house has many, many, many gems inside it. So you have the kitchen area, and obviously when you're cooking and some of the thingy, you can turn this on, and then it's gonna come up that way. When you are cooking stuff, the order doesn't fill the whole house. So you have this thing here, which is obviously such a cool thing to have. It's a party trick. Most houses have this kind of stuff in their kitchens. So I'm just gonna take it to the back. This is the chilling area. Obviously, you have the pool that I was showing you. Oh, it's locked. Also locked. Okay, I need to get the keys, but you have a chessboard there, a very huge chessboard that you can play table tennis, you have your snooker, and a whole lot of things that you can do. But this is a perfect getaway house for like 5 times 2, maybe 10 people. So yeah, let me take you upstairs just to show you how it is. So we've been here for a few days, so obviously it's not as well prepared as we found it, but obviously before every guest comes in, they found the rooms very, very fresh. Before we go to the bedrooms, that side and this side, this is the backyard. Or the back part of the house from upstairs, where you can obviously have your camp chairs sitting under here, and you can view people playing golf and enjoy this nice view of the golf course. Also, you have a lot of animals here, wild animals running around. There's ostriches and a whole lot of other things. But man, I don't think I'd ever get tired of this view. But yeah, and then these are the other 3 rooms. You have this room here, you have that one, and that one over there. They all share kind of a similar design, so there isn't like just one good room. All the rooms are very good and spacious, so 5 adults and their partners can definitely come this side or enjoy the space equally. Okay, so what the owner has done is play a lot with the lights on the arts, which I think is such a nice piece to have. Well, the rooms are mostly messed up now because they're trying to clean and sort everything out for the next guests. But obviously you have the electric curtains. You just pull once and then it goes all the way. So this is a beautiful morning here in Limpopo, or formerly known as Naboom or Naibom. We are at the Euphoria estate, as I've mentioned, and look at the sunrise, man. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, obviously we have the golf here, the golf course, and this is our yard. Covered the pool last night just to make sure that the bugs don't infiltrate. But yeah, excuse my voice, I just woke up. But this is so surreal, man. It's so beautiful out here, and we're gonna see what activities we're gonna do today. But other than that, what a beautiful house. Just gonna show you some more angles here. So the only cable way I've been to is the one in Hatties, and this other one here at Euphoria. Well, we haven't been up, but it goes all the way up.
Come me up, B. Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got straight across back. Drop the data, now we play inside the peas.
their stripes are very unique. They're like fingerprints.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And these ones are called mountain zebras. The difference between a mountain zebra and a plain zebra is that a mountain zebra, the black stripes, they are thicker compared to.
So this is the final view here. So we are at the Euphoria clubhouse, and there's a cableway here. Apparently this is one of 3 in the country. There's one in Hartis, another one in Cape Town by the Table Mountain, and then this one. So yeah, but apparently it's been out of service for like 9 months now, and they're fixing it, so we'll see about that. Maybe we can come back. So we're at the clubhouse here, and I had ribs and fries, and this guy has a proper meal. And let me tell you how we got here. I asked him that we had a braai at the place where we're in earlier, right? I'm like, bro, since we had a braai, does it make sense to have braai meat again? It's like, nah, let's not do that.
Get a load of this guy.
And this guy goes ahead
And gets the exact meal.
gets the exact
The
stuff,
exact
bro.
stuff he said we shouldn't get.
And now he's saying that I'm having belly food. What do you mean by that?
Get a load of this guy.
Hey, bro. So we're about to head out now, and I think that was our perfect stay here at Euphoria Estate. He doesn't want to be in the camera, so
As I'm tired.
yeah, we're tired, man.
It's
been a long weekend.
Usually it's supposed to be refreshed, but
Yeah,
I just want to sleep. Like,
yeah.
it's my first time in Limpopo, so I try to make the most of everything.
Yeah, it
And
does
I'm
get
tired.
hot here, but it's not very humid, is it?
No, it's just very hot.
But it's not that hot today.
First day was hot, eh?
Cap. And just like that, we are out. What a nice house, man. Remember, if you want to follow more of these videos, if you want to see more of this, follow me, follow Cherry Travels, and you definitely won't miss out on any of these adventures. See you on the next one.